Hi folks, this is James, the unofficial mayor of Cowboy Country. We are in beautiful Dallas, Texas, and we are here on the campus of SMU. I think this will be the last one we do as far as construction updates. That looks absolutely amazing. So we're going to cross the street and get one final look at what appears to be a completed end zone. Of course, we got the game on September 28th that we're coming to, so we'll actually get to see the inside of it then. So I tell you what, every time I come here, I have learned to like the trees more. Oh my, even the fences are gone. Okay, so now they're putting in plants and stuff. You can clearly see all the nice Mustang logos on the side. Trying to make the front of this look really pretty. Okay, I don't know if you can see that. I don't know if you can see that, but the O is missing for some reason. I don't know why. So right now it's just Ford Stadium. But I love the glass and the brick, and I guess that's one way to make ruts so you can plant tire tracks. These are all trying to get the greenery going. It's 100 degrees out there. You might want to wait until later to do that, but I don't know. I will admit that this walkway through with the trees in front, I'm so glad they kept all these trees in place, because the shade is it's so nice. And oof. I think it'd be cool to live over here. Those houses are probably like mega expensive. Yeah, they even have it on this side where it says Garry Weber Endzone Complex. Nice touch. Got a practice facility, ACC. That's so interesting. They're part of the ACC. I just find that funny, but you can see more of the inside. See the top section, the seats, the bench seats, but they do have backs, are blue, and then the lower section are red. So they have it's, you know, the school's colors, obviously. We got a little bit of work still left to do, but that oh, sorry, I forgot to put it back. That looks fantastic, and the scoreboard's looking like it's finished. That looks really good. I don't know. God willing, maybe one of the gates will be open like last time, but you know, I'm not like GFED. I'm not trying to get on the field. I just want to show you, all of my awesome subscribers, what it looks like. And like I said, they did a really good job making the new end zone look like, oh, there's a gate open. Be very quiet there. Oh, there's somebody on the field. Oh, look at that. That looks amazing. See, the seats in the corners are already in place. So hopefully they'll be like that all the way across. That is absolutely amazing. Looks fantastic. See, I love like what they do on the gates when they're closed. And then the big logo here. See, I think this is a great stadium just because I love the brick and the glass, and I think it's just a really good. What is this? I always learn something new every time I come here. The Kenneth Z. Ruth Sharp, also Learning Enhancement Center. Okay. So basically, we're going to help you study. Let me get around the other side real quick. I wanted to get in the parking garage and the track and field and soccer. Over there's where their indoor practice facility is, and trust me, that place is fantastic. All right, so they got stuff on the back here. That's new. Looks fantastic. By the way, Gerald J. Ford is not a reference to the former president. He's just a very generous and wealthy alumni. Let's see. Clear tote. Yep. Just like most of the power schools don't allow backpacks, but they'll allow a clear bag. I'm telling you, folks, they did a fantastic job with that end zone. I think it looks absolutely great. I love it. And it's August 17th. We'll be back here in a little bit over a month to see Florida State versus SMU. I mean, whoever thought that game would ever take place? So it's just a great time to be a college football fan. So if you are new, please hit like and subscribe. Do want to thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your patience. I do have some more videos made. We're going to talk about predictions for the upcoming, Power 4 conferences. My head says Florida State's going to win the ACC, but my heart says I want these guys to take it, get to the playoff. But, Oklahoma State and SMU were both at one time shafted by the NCAA. So I'm just glad that I'm glad that SMU is back. So thanks for watching. I'm actually headed to TCU to see if their indoor practice facility has begun construction. And so I'll probably post that in a couple days. So stay tuned, and I'll see you next time.